Welcome to a new day. Let's start it with positive, cleansing, fresh start energy. Take a slow breath in and let yourself arrive in this new morning. Each day is an opportunity to begin again. A chance to create a brighter future for yourself. A moment to step into new energy, new possibilities, new light. Inhale positive, loving energy. Let it fill your chest, your heart, your whole being. Exhale old stagnant energy. Let it fall away, let it dissolve, let it leave your body completely. This is your deep energy cleanse. This is your reset. This is your fresh start. Today is a new day, a beautiful day. A day that belongs to you. Yesterday's the past. Whatever weighed you down, whatever felt heavy, you don't need it anymore. Let it go. Let it fall behind you like dust on a quiet path. Inhale fresh mind. Exhale old energy. Use today to create a brighter future for yourself. Step into the version of you that feels open, hopeful, ready. Now let these affirmations settle gently into your body. I am worthy. I am enough. I love myself. I trust myself. I believe in myself. I am where I am meant to be. I am strong. I am resilient. I am fully deserving of love and success. I have the power to create my dream life. I have the power to shape my future. I have the power to begin again. Let these words root deeply. Let them become the energy you carry into your day. Now let's take 3 slow breaths. Inhale new energy. Exhale, release. Inhale clarity. Exhale softness. Inhale possibilities. Exhale peace. Have a beautiful day.